You know, we spent a lot of years sitting right here at this desk, just me and my pencil and a blank page, and on the other side of that screen was you. I know we probably never met and we lived completely different lives, but for those few minutes while we're sketching, we're kind of in it together. One of my favorite parts of making these lessons is reading the comments. I read messages from people who got an A in their art class, people who say I've helped make a difference in their day. There's so much kindness and support in this space, so it's no surprise that I've been inspired to keep teaching for all these years. And it's not all about the drawings, it's about the community that we're building together. And here's the beautiful thing. Years ago I was teaching a lesson on how to draw a horse, and horses aren't easy to draw, probably one of the most difficult subjects. But the sheer amount of people that shared their artwork with me, it was incredible. Just look at the amount of horses that people drew. Kids as young as 6 years old, and all the way up to people well into their 70s. So I started wondering, what if we didn't just draw to get better at art? What if we use sketching as a tool to create community, to spend time together? And this is why I started the Sketch Club. I want to build a space that isn't just about how to draw, it's about using art to quiet the space around us, and we do it together. Now if that sounds like something that you'd enjoy, I want you to spend some time going through some of the lessons during the free 7-day trial and practice along with me at a steady pace. And I'm pretty confident you're going to start to see your skills improving faster than you might expect. There's no pressure or criticism, just encouragement and creativity. It's great to have you here, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.